In this video, I'll show you how to disable all kinds of notification on your Samsung Galaxy Watch, whether it's the weather notification or specific notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Messages or Instagram. I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but the steps I'll show you will work on all Galaxy Watches, be it 5, 6, 7, 8 or the Ultra. Let's start. First, grab your connected smartphone, launch the Wearable app and make sure that your Galaxy Watch is connected to it. Next, go to Watch settings, tap on notifications and open app notifications. Now from here, you can manage notifications for individual apps by turning off their respective toggle button. Like I can turn off notifications only for messages, I can turn off notifications for Instagram, or I can turn off notifications for WhatsApp simply by turning off their toggle button. But if you want to turn off all the notifications, then turn on and turn off allow all toggle button for watch apps and for phone apps. Now, you won't receive any notifications on your Galaxy Watch. However, in this apps section, you won't find the weather app. So, to disable weather notifications on your Galaxy Watch, you need to go to the phone settings, scroll down and open apps. Again, scroll down and select the weather app. Tap on notifications and turn off the allow notifications toggle button. Now, weather notifications will be turned off on your phone and naturally it won't show up on your Galaxy Watch either. And that's how you can turn off or disable notifications on your Samsung Watch. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wayholic for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.